Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for my what's in my AliExpress basket. Firstly, there are links in the description below for all of the products. So I've done them individually. And the first item that I have are these makeup blender brushes. Now they are on offer at the moment, 53% off. So they are £13.34 instead of £28.39. I saw Gail using these and I love them. Then we have this awesome washi tape with all these different designs, vintage, sort of ephemera designs, and they are 99p to £2.41. So there are a couple to choose from, but I just love them and I thought that they were really different. The next thing in my basket, I watched a video and I saw, I don't know who it was, using these tea bags, and they were tea stained and then used them as little pockets on journals. They are just fantastic. 100 pieces for £1.03, and I bought some off eBay recently, £3 something. So I thought, oh my goodness me, save some money. Then we have these beigey coloured tea bags, so you don't even need to tea stain these, and they come in large, medium and small, and they're £1.30 to £2.17. So I have ordered some of those as well. Then we have this 6-piece braided circle dies, £2.15. Just thought that they were a little bit different, and then you could put something in the centre. And then look at the next thing that I have found. Oh my goodness. They are like washi tape, but they come off individually, and you can get them in petals and hearts, and you can make up flowers from them. This first lot are £1.09, but I do have some others in my basket as well. But there's a few different colours and designs with this one. Then I bought this trim. This is a butterfly trim, and it's £1.03 to £3.01, and you can either have 5, 10 or 20 yards, and they come in all different colours. But look at these cute little butterflies and flowers, so I thought I could, you know, cut them off individually, or you can have a row of them. Just awesome. And here's the other washi tape that I've bought. I bought lots of washi tape today. This is petal washi, £1.27, and there are all these different colours and designs that you can make these lovely flowers from. And here is some other washi tape where it's individually, they're individual stickers, and you get 80 stickers in each roll, and there's all these different designs. Oh, I didn't put a price down on that one. But you know me, they won't be very expensive, so just have a look if you like what you see. But I just thought they were really, really cute. Really cute. I don't have an awful lot in my basket today, but I have had to buy some things. Then we have these vintage rubber stamps. I have a couple of these, but I've lost one, and it's the bug one. So I've ordered that, and it's £1.64. And here are some different ways of using the stamps. They are just awesome. I like the different colours that they've used there. And then I have this great big background stamp, and it is £2.77, but I just thought that that would be great for all my vintage projects. And some more stamps here. This floral one, which is £1.77. So I have gone and bought a couple of rubber stamps. And then I come across this one. This is so neat. This is £2.68, and you've got like the traveller's notebook on there, passport, free entry. I just thought that was really cute. And the last thing in my basket today, I've ordered a paper pad, which are Chinese paintings, and I just thought it was very, very pretty. It is 6x6, it's £2.30, but I love the colours of this pad, very vintage. Even though it's Chinese, I thought it would still look good on vintage projects. So that's all in my AliExpress today. If you're interested, please click on the links below to order. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.